Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a hair tea rinse that you can use to help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 2 tablespoons of rosemary. Rosemary is a small evergreen plant that is a part of the mint family, the leaves of which are used to flavor food. Rosemary has been normalized throughout much of Europe and is widely grown in gardens and in warm climates. Rosemary is one of the best herbs for enhancing hair growth, which thickens the hair. Rosemary is believed to increase cellular metabolism that stimulates hair growth. Rosemary increases the number of follicles, follicle depth, and overall hair growth. If you want to improve both hair thickness and hair growth, rosemary is a great choice thanks to its ability to improve cellular generation. Also, rosemary has a cool, tingling feeling which increases circulation to the area it's applied to. This can help promote hair growth during the growing phase. The second ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 tablespoon of black seeds. Black cumin, also known as black seed, helps to boost hair growth and slow down the aging process of cells, thus preventing hair thinning. It reduces hair fall due to inflammation of hair follicles. Black seed regulates imbalanced hair growth cycle and activates the hair follicles. It nourishes your hair, increases its shine, and eliminates scalp dryness. It improves the volume and texture of your hair and stops hair loss with continued use. Also, black seed contains a powerful antihistamine. Antihistamines are often prescribed to patients with alopecia to help with hair regrowth and any thinning spots. So there are ways it can help with growing out your hair and keeping it soft, hydrated, and shiny. So now I'm just going to take both of the ingredients and place them into my teapot. If you don't have a teapot, then you can also do the same method with a bowl, and you'll just place both of the ingredients into the bowl, and then you'll place 2 cups of hot water into the bowl or the teapot. And then I'm going to allow this to steep for about 45 minutes or until the tea has completely cooled down.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away.
So after about 45 minutes, this is what the tea looks like. Before I place it into the spray bottle, I'm going to be adding 2 additional ingredients, which are optional. So the first ingredient that I'm going to be adding to the spray bottle is going to be a 1/4 cup of rose water. Rose water is great for your hair. It replenishes lost moisture and helps your hair to be more manageable. Also, the natural anti-inflammatory properties of rose water can help reduce dandruff, and its stimulating properties increases scalp circulation and promotes hair growth. And the other ingredient that I'm going to be adding to the spray bottle is going to be a 1/4 teaspoon of MSM powder. MSM is known as a sulfur-rich compound with anti-inflammatory properties. According to research, MSM sulfur can form bonds essential to strengthening hair and influencing hair growth. One study tested the effect of MSM on hair growth and alopecia treatment. How does it work? MSM provides the sulfur required for healthy collagen and keratin, which are both essential for healthy hair growth. It is also believed to naturally increase the hair growth phase. Your hair goes through 3 cycles: growing, resting, and shedding. Each and every hair on your head and on your body is in one of these phases at all times. However, you may not notice significant shedding because all hairs are in different phases. So while some may be shedding, others may be resting or growing. For example, if your growing phase lasts 2 years and your hair normally grows 1/2 inch per month, your hair will grow 12 inches before entering the resting and shedding phases. If, however, your growing phase lasts 3 years, then your hair will grow 18 inches before entering the resting and shedding phases. Since your hair growth phase is genetically determined, it won't change unless you use a supplement containing MSM. So now I'm just going to fill up the rest of the spray bottle with the tea rinse, and that is about 3/4 cup. I am using an 8-ounce spray bottle, so you can adjust the measurements depending on the size of your spray bottle or applicator bottle. The shelf life of this hair rinse is 2 to 4 weeks in the refrigerator and is 3 to 6 months when placed in the freezer. So when using this as a hair rinse, you want to apply this all over your hair and scalp after you shampooed your hair, because you want to make sure that your scalp is clean. Once you've sprayed it all over your hair and scalp, you're just going to leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes and then you're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to follow up with your favorite deep conditioner. So you can do this method whenever it's your wash day, so whether you wash your hair once a week or every 2 weeks. Also, you can use this spray as a leave-in. If you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. All you have to do is just apply it on your scalp and also all over your hair from root to ends, and then make sure you follow up with your favorite hair oil or hair butter or cream, so that way you can seal in the moisture. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.